Hello everyone, this is Sanvi and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I am going to teach you a very interesting topic related to the Happy India's Day. As today is 8th February means today's 8th February means Happy Indians Day, means India's Day. So I thought that I can teach you the topic related to India's Day. So let's get started before any further delay. So first I will tell you about India. India is one of the oldest civilizations in the world with a kaleidoscopic variety and rich culture heritage. It has achieved all-round socio-economic progress since independence. As the seventh largest country in the world, India stands apart from the rest of Asia, marked off as it is by mountains and the sea, which give the country a distinct geographical entity bounded by the Great Himalayas in the north. It stretches southwards and at the Tropic of Cancer tapers off into the Indian Ocean between the Bay of Bengal on the east and the Arabian Sea on the west. So now you can see this map of India, and these are, you can see, China, Nepal, Bhutan. These are the neighborhood of our India. So this is the map of our India. So now these are some facts. You can take the screenshot of these facts and you can read nicely. And now I will ask you some of our questions, our 10 questions. Our first question is, what is the best thing about India? Yes, answer is, India is the largest democracy in India world and one of the most ancient civilizations. The largest employer in India is the Indian Railways. Now our second question means our question 2. How old India is? Yes, India is approximately 250,000 years old. Oh God, these are very big numbers. India is home to one of the oldest civilizations in the world, from the traces of humanoid activity discovered in the subcontinent. Now question 3, which is our number 1 tourist place in India? Yes, the number 1 tourist place in India is Taj Mahal. Agra stands atop as it homes the world's most beautiful monument, Taj Mahal. It ranks supreme in the list of famous tourist places in India. Now question 4, what are the 6 names of India? Yes, the 6 names of India are India, Hindustan, Aryavarta, Bharat, Jambudvipa, Nabivarsa. Now our question 5 is, who was the first king of India? Yes, the first king of India was Chandragupta, whose early life is unknown, became a local chief in the kingdom of Magadha. He increased his power and territory by marrying. Now our question 6 is, who created India? Yes, the history of India begins with the birth of Indus Valley civilizations, more precisely known as Harappan civilizations. Now our question 7 is, who captured India first? Yes, see, who captured India first? Yes, the answer is Aryans. The first group is to invade India were the Aryans, who came out of the north in about 1500 BC. Now 8th question, how many states are there in India in 2020? Answer is our 28 states. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in the country. Union territories are administered administered by the president through an administered appointed by him or her. Now our ninth question, why do Indians touch feet? Yes, touching the feet of elders is an age-old Indian tradition that is considered to be a mark of respect. This gesture can be seen in almost all Hindu families. Now our 10th question, who is powerful king of India? Yes, the powerful king of India is Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya was the Nanda Empire ruled by Dhana Nanda and located in the kingdom of Magadha in northeast India. Now I will tell you some Hindu festivals. So now I will tell you about Hindu festivals. They are Diwali. Number first festival is Diwali, the grand festival of lights. It is on 4th November, Thursday. Our next festival, the Holi, the vibrant festival of colors. It is on 29th March, Monday. It is about to come. I am so happy, so excited for this festival. I love this festival. And our next festival is Dashera. Witness the triumph of good over evil. It is on 15th October, Friday. Our next festival, Navratri, the 9 days of fasting, faith and devotion. It is on 7th October to 14th October. So our next fact is Durga Puja of prosperity, goodness and devolution. It begins on 15th. Now, so happy Indians Day. Enjoy your India's Day. And I hope this video should helpful and useful to you. So if you love studying with me, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Sanvi's World. And thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. Good day. Have a nice day. Bye bye.